Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today we're going to be exploring this really fun looking candy Gloop kit. It looks pretty good. It looks delectable if I do say so myself. The kid on the front looks excited. I mean, they never lie to us with those kids on the front of the box. It has to be as good as it looks. It looks nice and slimy as well, so hopefully we get that. This kit was pretty inexpensive, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of this. Well, thankfully I wasn't expecting much because we only got 2 little packages of stuff. Alright, this first package is a spoon, a little bowl that looks kind of like little fruit cups. Okay, we got instruction. And a packet of powder. Step number 1, it says to wash our little mixing bowl and our spoon with warm soapy water. Step 2, pour half of the contents of Candy Gloop. Mix into the mixing bowl. Then use the measuring spoon to add 4 spoonfuls of room temperature water to the mixing bowl. Stir well until all the powder is dissolved and well incorporated. Alright, first impressions of our little sugar mixture is that it actually smells pretty good. It smells kind of like sugar, which is what I was expecting. Alright, when I put the water into our mixture, it got kind of pink. Well, very pink compared to what it started. And now I guess I'm just going to keep mixing this until it becomes putty-like. We are back with our mixed mixture, and it was a mess to get together. The powder, I don't know how to explain it. It just took forever to get combined with everything. And so, I don't know, I wouldn't give this to a child if I had a child unless I really wanted a mess to clean up. Also, like, the kid in the photo was, like, going at it with their hands, you know? And, like, I just got some on my hand. It doesn't seem to, like, come off very easy. It's sticky like glue. You couldn't just, like, slam your hands into this. You'd end up with a mess. I would not give this to a child. I would hardly give this to myself. I would not purchase this item again. It's kind of fun if you like sticky things. Tastes kind of like a very lame cake batter. I mean, it's a little sweet, but not like a candy. And overall, I give this a D-, maybe even an F. Do not purchase this item. Kind of sucks that it wasn't good, or at least as good as I thought it was gonna be. This child on the front cover is very misleading. But I don't know, maybe we'll try some more kids sets, see if any of them are good or if they're all just trash wrapped in fancy boxes. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for joining us. We'll see you again next time. Bye.